Hey everybody, this is Miss Rachel, and she's going to give us her testimony. So Miss Rachel, how did you first hear about Abundant Life?
I heard about Abundant Life probably about 2 years ago now. I had a coworker of mine that had been coming to Dr. Zano for a few years, and she had invited me to one of his dinners at Macaroni Grill. And I went, and of course I was like, I filled out that sheet of paper, and it had the questions of, do you have any of these symptoms? And I ended up checking majority of them, and I went, oh my goodness, this is probably not good. So I ended up going in and getting the x-rays, and the rest is history. I mean, it was clear as day that something was wrong and I needed to come and see him. So.
All right, so how were you doing before you started coming here?
Before I started coming, I had headaches, migraines every day. I started probably about 2 years prior to me coming here, so probably about 5 years ago now. I ended up passing out and I stopped breathing and ended up having to go to a cardiologist, and they started telling me I had some heart issues, which was a little odd because it was, I had gone through the majority of my life without any issues, but I ended up having some heart problems for about 2 years before I started coming, and I just had pain in my neck and just muscle issues, and always felt like I had to hold my neck up, and just never felt really great.
Yeah. All right, so how have you been healing since getting your corrective care adjustments?
Amazing. I don't have any headaches. If I get a headache, it may be once every few months, and usually I come in and I let Dr. Zano or one of the other doctors know, and bada bing, bada boom, everything's done. Immediate relief on my headache. No more heart problems. I feel amazing. I'm now actively working out again. Everything's digesting well, and I'm doing wonderfully.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So what is one thing you would tell someone about corrective care chiropractic?
It works. And give it a valiant effort. The first few months may not be the easiest, but it's well worth it, and it will work.
Thank you so much, Miss Rachel.
Thank you.